Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use your homemade yogurt to make a high protein baked yogurt with blueberries. You can do this recipe in one tray, but today we're going to use the Luvele fresh vacuum canisters to do it as a meal prep, so we can make it once and enjoy it throughout the week and keep it nice and fresh. To get started, preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Then add 2 cups of homemade yogurt to a mixing bowl, along with 5 eggs, 1/4 cup of maple syrup or honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of fresh orange zest. Whisk together until smooth and then add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour and mix again until lump-free and well combined. Divide the mixture between your Luvele fresh canisters and then, using 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries, scatter them evenly across the top. Place the glass containers onto a tray and then bake for around 25 minutes or until they're nicely risen but still have a slight jiggle. Cool them down completely before serving or storing to prevent condensation, and you can dust them with some cinnamon to finish. You can store these in the fridge for up to 5 days. So there you have it, nice and easy. There's our baked yogurt with blueberries. It smells just like baked cheesecake, really yum. We hope you enjoyed this recipe today. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our recipes to come. Check out the blog for more Luvele life recipes. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back very soon with another recipe.